Hi friends, so I did want to show you an alternate method. You won't be able to do this with every problem. Some problems you will have to regroup, unfortunately, but it does work with a significant amount of problems. So I know regrouping sometimes is is a difficult skill for some students. So there is an alternate way you can try. Again, though, you do have to understand the regrouping method because this won't work for every single scenario, but does work for most scenarios. So you can subtract mixed numbers or add mixed numbers by converting them into improper fractions in most cases without having to regroup. So let's take a look at this. So remember, first step is the L in look. So when we do the L in look, I see I have 1 minus 3. I can't take 3 away from 1. So right away I think, oh man, I got to regroup, right? Well, let's try, if you don't want to regroup, let's just try this method. Convert both of these into improper fractions, okay? So I'm going to do 9 times 8 is 72, plus 1 is 73. So it would be 73 over 8, okay? 2 times 8 is 16. So you have 16 plus 3 equals 19 over 8. Okay, so subtraction. So 73 minus 19 over 8. So if you want to take your calculators, Miss Fisher is a little bit burnt out from doing so much math today. So we got 54 over 8. Okay, now you can easily convert it back into that mixed number and you have your solution. Okay, so how many times does 8 go into 54? Okay, so that's what you want to think about. 8 times 6 is 48. So you would say 8, it goes in 6 whole times, right? And then you would say 54 minus 48 equals 6. So it has a remainder of 6 over 8. Okay, then you just simply want to reduce. So 2 goes into 6 3 times, and 2 goes into 4 times. So your final answer is 6 3/4. Again, you can do the regrouping process. That's perfectly fine. But for those of you that are having a problem regrouping, you can also convert back and forth between improper fractions and mixed numbers to solve these. So let me give you one more example. So 5 and 2, 6 minus 1 and 5, 6. So again, the first step is to look. So I look and I have a 2. I can't take 5 away from 2. So right away I'm like, okay, I got to do the regrouping. Well, let's try and see if we can convert it into an improper fraction. Let's see if it works that way. So 5 times 6 is 30, plus 2 is 32. So I have 32 over 6 minus 1 times 6 is 6, plus 5 is 11 over 6. 32 minus 10 is 22, minus another 1 is 21 over 6. So now you ask yourself, how many times does 6 go into 21? Well, it goes in 3 times, right? So it goes in 3 whole times, because 6 times 3 is 18. So then you say 21 minus 18 gives me 3. So it would be 3 over 6, but you can simplify that. The last step of LAPS is simplify. So you would say that's 3 1/2. So again, you could have done this through regrouping, or you could have done it through turning them into improper fractions and then converting it back to a mixed number for your final answer. So it's completely up to you. I just wanted to show you this additional way in case converting back and forth between improper fractions and mixed numbers are easier for you. But again, sometimes this may not work and you might have to regroup. All right. Have a great day now. Bye.